Okay guys, we're back and we're going to create this template or this slide. It's amazing and have good effects. Let's go and see how we can create this. At first we need to copy the picture. This is a picture by Holono Koristu Kawaii. Hawaii, sorry. You can download it. It's free in unleash.com, I think. You can download it. After downloading it, what we need to do, we need to create this text. How we are going to create this text? By creating this text, we need to create a new slide. In this slide, we need to paste a rectangle. And in the rectangle, we need to paste this text, Hawaii. How? Now, we are going to write the text right here by creating a text box from here, exactly 0 to here. And write Hawaii. Let's do some increment in size. Change the font to impact. It give you better view. And then we are going to make it in the center. It's good. We are going to make it in the center. Align center. Now we select all of them and make them combine. Now we need the text. This text here. But as we can see, because the text is some kind of union with the shape, we are going to create a text by our own. How? We are going to just search to Google Chrome and find out the text. Let us wait a little and we just search Hawaii and then wait for the, sorry for the poor connection. Okay, and we just go to Wikipedia or here. We just copy the text and paste the text here. The text is ready. Let me just light it up for you to see. Okay, we have the text. We have two options to create this effect or create another effect. I'm going to create another effect. What I'm going to create, I'm going to place it in the middle and make it a group with this, and after that I'm going to change it to have shape outline, some blue shape outline, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this picture, paste it here. You see it's blue outline. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create another slide here. Put it here, and then another slide and put it here. Some of you may think that this blue thing is not good, but I'm going to do something to make this blue thing worth it. How? I'm going to format the shape and make the fill solid fill black and make the transparency of the field lower, and here make the transparency of the field solid fill white black and make it lower to this, and then going to okay. But you don't forget that your text is going to also have transparency. We don't need it. We go to shape format and make none. Here too, we don't need it. Now we just create a transition morph. And then we go here and send the after 0.0 second. Okay. Now if we run it, it looks like this. It's a great effect for creation. Okay, until the next template, don't forget to like and subscribe. Ask me if you have any question in the comment. I will answer them after one day or before one day. But until the next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day. Until tomorrow.